everybody in the vehicle was dressed to the nines. So obviously there was money for clothes, there was money for hair, there was money for nails, there was money for gold, there was money for gold grills, but then people are saying they're stealing for other things that I don't know.
Designer clothes, a 9-month pregnancy, and a sob story about survival. This serial shoplifter thought she could play the system and get away with a 3rd felony conviction. Judge Boyd offered her a lifeline, but instead of taking it, she vanished for 6 months. Watch exactly what happens when blatant disrespect meets a judge who refuses to play games.
Court is calling 2024 CR 008663, State versus Imani Renee Robinson. Can I have parties announced for the record? State.
Megan Galloway.
Defense.
Roberto Ambrosino.
And are you Miss Robinson? Counsel, have you received all of the discovery and did you review it with your client?
I have.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Miss Robinson, did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with theft of property, $2,500, 2 or more previous convictions?
Yes, ma'am.
It's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea you were giving up those rights?
Yes.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
She has.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I do.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do.
Ms. Robinson, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea, there's a $2,000 fine and the state recommends community supervision. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
There have not.
All right. For clarification, is there an application for deferred or no?
No, there's not. I may have just grabbed the wrong form. I circled community supervision.
All right. So with regards to the plea bargain agreement,
I did not. Did I not cut it off that? There's your honor.
well, no, you all need to put down what the punishment is to consent.
Yes, my apologies.
No problem.
That's not the thing that we're doing.
So according to the plea bargain agreement, punishment is to be assessed at 2 years in the state jail facility. There is no application for deferred adjudication and the state is recommending community supervision and there's a $2,000 fine. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes.
And defense, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
And state, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 2 years. There'll be a TAP evaluation, 120 hours of community service restitution, and no contact with Don and Benz. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations? Then to the offenses charge, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Contest.
State, any evidence?
The state offers states exhibit number 1 and attachments.
No objection.
All right, state, you may be excused.
Thank you.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine cross-examine and confront any witnesses, the state will call in the right to remain silent.
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right, after reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you want to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, it's been some time since the incident, since something happened recently. She is in a better place now in her life. She's employed. She's 9 months pregnant. She's had to give birth here in about 12 days. She's in a good place, and she has learned her lesson and will definitely comply.
All right, so this is the third time she's probably learned her lesson from stealing. Why do you keep stealing?
Before I wasn't in a better position than what I am now, and that was something that I picked up in a bad habit.
Did you catch that? She just brushed off multiple felony thefts as a bad habit, treating severe crimes like a minor inconvenience. But Judge Boyd isn't buying the struggling to survive narrative, and she's about to dismantle it completely.
What, a bad habit of stealing?
Yeah.
How do you develop a habit for stealing?
It was just something that I chose to do. It was a choice, and
But I mean,
now,
I'm just trying to figure out, how do you develop the habit for stealing?
it just happened, and
Well, I mean,
something
did you
that
all
was-
plan? Did you all say, hey, let's go to Don and Ben's and take tequila?
No, it wasn't anything like that. Like I said, I was in a bad predicament, and I was using that to like pay rent or do any, just making any
No, I
type
don't
of-
Because, and let me just explain to you why I don't realize that.
Understand.
Because people will spend money on their wants, but not on their needs.
Right.
And what I'm reading in here, everybody in the vehicle was dressed to the nines. So obviously there was money for clothes, there was money for hair, there was money for nails, there was money for gold, there was money for gold grills, but then people are saying they're stealing for other things that I don't understand.
This is where the defense totally falls apart. The judge completely exposes her, claiming you steal to pay rent while dripping in gold jewelry, fresh nails, and stealing top-shelf tequila. That's not a crime of desperation. That's funding a luxury lifestyle at someone else's expense.
And going to Don and Ben's, the officer said that the car smelled of marijuana, and you all just went to Don and Ben's grabbing tequila. So I don't understand when people say, "Oh, I needed rent." Who's out here buying stolen tequila?
I don't smoke, so I don't know.
No, I said, who's out here buying stolen tequila? Did you take orders where you just say, "Hey, anybody want tequila?" Because it's saying that you took
6 bottles.
yes, of tequila, 2 coconut bottles, reposado,
Yes.
and
Regular.
yeah. So see, she remembers. So why? So that you all could drink and have a good time. How old are you?
I'm 28. I was 17 at the time, and that was just how I was making my money. There's no excuse for it. I'm not making no excuse for it. And like I said, that's something that I'm not doing anymore.
And the people you were with, this Latasia Bateman, who is that?
It's a friend of mine.
Oh,
Who
what-
was a friend of mine.
All right, and who is this? I guess their mom named them T.I. Era Barber.
Yeah,
Who is that?
just another friend.
What does T.I. stand for? Is that their name,
I
T.I.?
think it's Tierra.
Oh, the officer then put an apostrophe. Okay.
Right.
All right, court is going to sentence you to 2 years in the state jail facility, suspended and probated for 3 years. If you were drug tested today, what would the results be?
I'm gonna be clean.
There's to be regular UAs, regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Are you employed?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you do?
I work for home health.
Doing what?
Pretty much like assisting and aiding. I'm with
What does that
DSP.
mean? Assisting and aiding?
I pretty much help feed, change, clothe.
Occurred.
I'm not a CNA. I'm just a caregiver.
No. Do you go into people's homes and do this? I don't allow people on probation in this
This is
court.
the actual. It's like a nursing home. It's not just like a home. It's it's a nursing home, like an actual.
So she doesn't go.
So I don't go into people's houses. It's an actual facility.
Think about how dangerous this is. A convicted, habitual thief is working inside a nursing home, surrounded by some of the most vulnerable people in society. The justice system is supposed to prevent future victims, and Judge Boyd is stepping in right here to make sure this facility knows exactly who they just hired.
All right, I'm not going to allow you to continue to work there unless I receive a letter from your employer stating that they know what you're charged with and you can still work there. And then the people that you're taking care of, they either need to sign something or their relatives need to know that you're working there.
100%.
All right, then their relatives need to know that you're working there. That's Ms. Abrams, that's what I'm ordering. So proof of employment within 30 days, no employment with minors.
She is on maternity leave right now, so I don't know if you might be able to extend 30 days out a bit longer than.
Oh, just speak to probation about that. I consider myself to be reasonable.
Just thought I'd put that on the record.
I appreciate it.
Because it'd be 30 days from 2 weeks, and
Oh, trust me, probation will say she's on maternity leave, and I'll say, okay. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider in someone's residence, and also she's not to be a home health care provider at a facility without a letter from the employer stating that they are aware of her criminal history and she's allowed to work there, and the family members of whoever she's caring for is aware of a criminal history and they have no objection to their working there. Field visits 1 time per month for 3 months, 200 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting classes. Once the parenting classes are complete, 100 of those hours will be waived. And then I'm going to order the theft course. Once that's complete, the remaining hours will be waived. Probation, is there anything else? Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No.
All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
Oh, and I'm sorry, just one other thing. There's to be no contact with Lastasia, Lastasia, Bateman, Batman, and Tierra, Tierra, Barber, Barber. All right, because this is plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, good luck to you. If you need anything, let probation know. If you feel as though they're not addressing it, you can always come back to the court.
Thank you.
All right, you're welcome.
Yeah.
Just remain in court probation. We'll go over conditions. You're welcome.
But here's where the story takes a massive turn. You'd think a suspended sentence would be a wake-up call. Nope. Fast forward several months and Robinson has completely blown her second chance. She stopped reporting, ghosted her probation officer, and now she's back in front of the exact same judge.
Court is calling 2024 CR 008663 State versus Imani Robinson. Can I have parties announced?
David Andre Woodard for Ms. Robinson.
And are you Miss Robinson?
Yes, ma'am.
If you review the documents entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision and First
We're on the
Amendment
record.
Motion to Revoke Community to revoke community supervision with your attorney, did you understand? Are you the same Imani Renee Robinson who was placed on community supervision in 2024 CR 008663 for the offense of theft of property less than $2,500, 2 or more convictions on December 5th, 2024 for a term of 4 years? Is that you?
Yes, sir.
State?
Tyler and Fair County President Robin and their felt court to sister as they review July, August, September, and October.
How you plead to that, true or not true? True.
It's abandoned.
Any objections?
No objection, Judge.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, sentence you to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $2,000 fine? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4? Court will find violation condition 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Judge, there is a diversity. Are asking about court and I this turn and talk about is
So why hasn't she reported?
Judge, when I spoke with Imani regarding the reporting, I think what happened is the new offense had occurred. She knew that she would likely have a warrant, and I think she got fearful of reporting to probation. So instead of doing what she should have done first, we're here now in this motion to revoke with months of not reporting. As the state mentioned, this is her first MTR. She has been on GPS monitor since the court set a bond for her, and she's had no issues. So we're respectfully asking the court to follow the state's recommendation and try to get Robinson back on track so that she can successfully complete her probation.
This is unbelievable. Her official excuse for ignoring probation is that she committed another crime and was scared of getting caught. She genuinely expects the judge to accept running from the law as a valid reason for skipping her check-ins.
How old are you?
29.
I'm going to give you a choice. These are your only choices. There are no other choice. One, I can revoke you, and if there's no objection, I'll sentence you under 1244 to 300 days in the Bexar County Jail. Or two, I continue you, and as a condition of your probation, you're going to do some jail time, and it'll be 30 days jail. Which do you prefer? Discuss it.
I would like to judge before she makes a decision. Let's go.
We're back on the record in 2024 CR 008663. So, counsel, what has your client decided?
Decision is going to
On the record, let's keep it down.
30 days and continue on 300 days.
I want to be my 300.
All right.
Faced with 30 days in jail to save her probation or nearly a year behind bars, her response is baffling. Watch closely as she makes a choice that leaves everyone in the courtroom absolutely stunned.
You have the. All right, can I have a trial court certification, please? All right. Court is finding violation of condition number 4 true. Court will sentence you under, the court will revoke, sentence you to 300 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. Give you credit for any time served. There's to be no contact with Don and Ben, BEN''S. There's to be no contact with Talon, I believe it's Talon McKee.
I believe that was the name state put on the record.
All right, is there anything else with regards to sentencing?
No, Your Honor.
All right, let's review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney. Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yeah.
Yes or no? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
All right, you have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you're on community supervision. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, good luck to you.
Thanks, Judge.
Thank you.
Judge, I'm taking her to custody right
Yes.
Zamani Robinson manipulated the system, played the sympathy card, and threw away every chance she was given. Judge Boyd called her bluff, resulting in 300 days in jail. It's a harsh reality check for someone who thought she was above the law. Was this sentence too harsh, or exactly what she deserved for mocking the court? Drop your verdict in the comments, and subscribe for more courtroom breakdowns.